This is my at-home office and my den. I see this looking from my living room. And one of the key things that I did was I made sure, I live in a low-rise condo, but you can't have a wood-burning fireplace or a gas fireplace. So I actually put in a nice electric fireplace and created a really nice visual that you see looking from the bedroom, living room into here, and then put artwork above. The other key thing that I did was I actually took advantage of the window and built in my desk so that I could look out the window. Important tip here, because my walls are white, I actually left my desk in a white with just a little bit of wood trim. The wood ties into the floor color, which is walnut, and having a white top means that I don't really see the desk. It just kind of disappears over the brightness of the window. So you can see, even though it's a home office, it does not have to look office-y. This just works great for me and gives you everything that I'm looking for. Comfort and beauty all in one spot. Thank you.